Good morning, student. Welcome to Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. Today I bring the concept of non-square. So the question is like this: how many non-square number comes between 100 square and 101 square? So if you will solve this question by basic method, so from basic method it will be very tough. Means first you will find the 100 का square, 100 का square ये you will write this. फिर 101 का square, 101 into 101 you will multiply like this, and then you will solve it here. Okay, so once you will solve it here, it will become very tough. तो उन दोनों के बीच में you will count the number in between both the squares number. You will count the number. It will take too much time. So there is a concept we are going to learn from this. So I'll teach you the concept behind this. First we will come to the basics. Once basic clear, then we'll go ahead. Okay, if I'll say 1 square and 2 square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. How many numbers, non-square number comes between 1 and 4? 2, 3. दो ही number. It means two numbers. Okay. If I'll say 2 square and 3 square. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. कौन से आते हैं? 5 after 4 5 6 7 8. How many numbers? 4 numbers. 4 numbers. 2 square and 3 square. Similarly, if I'll say 3 square and 4 square के बीच में 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. After 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers. Okay, 2 4 6 and different numbers are coming. If I'll tell you how many numbers between 9 square and 10 square. 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. 10 square means 10 into 10. 10 square means 10 into 10. 10 10 is 100. 9 square means 9 into 9. 81. So 81, between 81 and 100 कौन से which all number comes between 81 and 100? 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 and 99. These are the numbers. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 numbers. So 18 numbers are in between 81 and 100. So 18 numbers in between. So whenever the number increases and square increases, the in between numbers becomes bigger. The number of quantities becomes bigger. So you cannot count once it goes to the 100 square or 101 square. Your 1000 square or 1001 square, or any 200 square, 201 square. It will become very tough. So there is a funda, there is a concept behind the same we are going to learn. Okay, so we will learn that funda behind this. So what is the concept? You come here, pay attention on the board. Okay. First, if there are two numbers n or n plus 1, so square of both the number n equal to 1. Put n equal to 1. Okay, तो 1 n की जगह पे 1 रखा. In place of n you have to put the 1. 1 का square equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. ओके, n की जगह पे कितना रखा 1, सो 1 प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर, इट मीन्स 2 का होल स्क्वायर, इट मीन्स 4. सो बिटवीन 1 and 4 देयर आर ऑलवेज 2n नंबर्स. तो 2 into n की जगह पे कितना था 1. wherever there is n you have to put the n 1. जहां जहां n की वैल्यू 1 रखी आपको सिर्फ 1 रखना है. यहां पे भी 1, यहां पे भी 1, यहां पे भी 1. Here's the 1, you will put the 1 here, here you will put the 1 here, here also you will put the 1 here. In place of 1 you will put the 1. So how many numbers comes between 1 and 4 है ना, स्क्वायर 1 का स्क्वायर एंड 4 का स्क्वायर, 1 का स्क्वायर एंड 2 का स्क्वायर के बीच में, 1 का स्क्वायर एंड 2 का स्क्वायर के बीच में कितने नंबर आते हैं 2 नंबर्स. We did before this. Okay, see the concept, learn this concept. This is a very beautiful concept, so you will learn this concept behind this. Okay, the second is put n equal to 2. So 2 का स्क्वायर, 2 into 2 equal to 4. तो 2 plus 1 का स्क्वायर, 3 का स्क्वायर, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 3 का स्क्वायर 9. So 2 स्क्वायर एंड 3 स्क्वायर के बीच में कितने नंबर आते हैं 2n. 2 into n की जगह पे क्या रखना है 2 in place of n, 2 to the 4 नंबर, 4 नंबर्स. देखो 4 और 9 के बीच में कौन कौन से आते हैं, देखो 4 नंबर कौन कौन से 5, 6, 7, 8. दीज आर द 4 नॉन स्क्वायर नंबर. ऐसे सिमिलरली 1 and 4 के बीच में कौन कौन से आए थे 2, 3. कितने आए 2 नंबर, यहाँ 4 नंबर. इट इज गेटिंग वेरीफाइड. ये दीज आर द 4 नंबर्स. Similarly, you make it n equal to 3. 3 का स्क्वायर, 3 into 3 9. ओके, से 3 plus 1 का स्क्वायर, 4 का स्क्वायर 16. 9 और 16 के बीच में कितने आ गए बच्चों 3 का स्क्वायर. इट मीन्स 3 स्क्वायर एंड 4 स्क्वायर बिटवीन हाउ मेनी नंबर्स विल कम, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स विल कम, सॉरी. सो 2 into n, formula is 2 into n, 2 into 3, 6 numbers will come. काउंट करो 9 के बाद क्या आता है, what comes after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16, between 9 and 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6 numbers. So it is getting verified. One more, we'll take n equal to 9. We'll put the n equal to 9. 9 का स्क्वायर equal to 9 into 9, 81. 9 plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर equal to 10 का होल स्क्वायर equal to 100. 81 और 100 के बीच में है ना 2 into n, between n की जगह पे 9, 2 9 है 18 नंबर्स. ओके, सो 81 and 100, between 81 and 100, 81 to 100 के बीच में काउंट करो, जस्ट काउंट द नंबर 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 number. So there are always 2n number between n and n plus 1 का n का whole square. Between 2 square number there are 2n non square, 2n non square number. Okay, so now we will do as per this question 100 square and 101 square. Similar way 100 square and 101 square. This becomes very easy once you understood this concept. This becomes very easy. So see, we'll do n equal to 100. 100 का स्क्वायर, ओके n की जगह पे 100 और n 100 plus 1 का स्क्वायर. अब you don't have to get the square here. You don't have to direct 2 into 100. n की जगह पे n equal to 100 है, so 200. So there will be 200 non-square number. You don't need to count 100 का स्क्वायर then 101 का स्क्वायर, both in between you have to, or directly you can write 2 and non-square number. This is one of the beautiful concept, and this questions comes in SSC examination, NT examination, many more examination. Very beautiful concept. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thanks for watching the channel. Thank you very much.